guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we'll be doing an unboxing video from Amazon. I purchased some organizing containers and some oatmeal jars, and before we even proceed, please consider liking and subscribing to this channel. Thank you. So you open, it has a rubber to make it tight when you close it, and it's coming with a spoon. There is a side handle for your spoon. This makes it so easy, especially now that I want to start making overnight oatmeal. I normally do it in the morning, but I want to be doing it overnight to make my breakfast much easier in the morning. And I got 6, and oh my goodness, I am so happy. I mean, look at this, 6 of them. This will make my breakfast so much easier, and I'm going to link this in the description box below in case you are interested. And a little disclaimer guys, this video is not sponsored in any way by Amazon. I'm just sharing all this with you guys out of love. This is the package of the fridge organizing containers I got. Let's go ahead and unbox them. To store the vegetables I have in the fridge in these containers, but before that I want to start by cleaning them, and because they're so dirty, I mean they're just coming from maybe the warehouse, and it's so unhygienic to start storing food before cleaning them. So let's go ahead and do that. be putting some tissue underneath these containers because there's a lot of moisture in the fridge, because most of my veggies I usually store them in the fridge. So before I store them in these containers, I have to put some tissues underneath. I use baking soda and white vinegar to clean my blueberries. This helps at least to kill the germs, because blueberries tend to carry a lot of germs and we don't even notice. So this is what I do, and then it also helps to at least keep them long lasting in the fridge, because they tend to spoil very fast. I'm going to arrange these vegetables and fruit in the containers, and once I'm done doing that, I'm going to clean the fridge. Not really deep cleaning, but a bit of just wiping here and there before I store them in the fridge. was it for today's video, guys. I really hope this video was helpful. I will link everything I used down on the description box below. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.